A little hot.
Pretty good.
What? I hate that joke. And then once we let our onions sweat for a little bit, and we added the garlic in there too, they get a little more caramelized, we're going to add a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground venison. We package that ourselves. And hang on. A few moments later. So then I like to just slice my hamburger. In different directions. And then it's easy to get out. We're gonna add both kinds, both the ground beef and the ground venison, right into the pan. We package our own venison. We'll be showing that in an upcoming video, how Cole and I help, but I've yet to try hunting. But how he butchers his deer and then how we process it. We do it all ourselves. So then we use food saver bags to preserve it for as long as possible. Can't do this right-handed. Keep forgetting about my hands.
You want to put green chili in it?
Huh?
You want to put green chili in it?
Yeah.
Real?
Green chili like the Rotel?
Yeah.
Yeah, I brought it for that.
Oh, okay.
Here, we'll get you guys a close-up view. And we just want to brown it. And then we'll be adding in the rest of our taco ingredients. Taco, nachos, quesadillas. This is a great little mixture that will go a long ways during your camping trip because it can be repurposed in so many different avenues. Alright, I'm going to put you down so I can keep doing what I'm doing. Hard to do this with my left hand.
What are you doing?
I don't think they're going to fit in the pot and it's running out of room.
Oh. That's okay.
Should I mix it all together?
Yeah. You need oil or no?
More heat, you say? Probably really cooled the pan down with the cold meat.
Butter or oil?
Yeah, maybe some, just because that venison is so
Maybe butter or oil?
lean. I say butter all the way, man. Still frozen, that chunk.
Need more heat.
Can we mix it in?
We need more heat.
Heat, heat, heat. Today we are seasoning with our favorite Creole. Give a little bit of heat, and then we're using Wadobo. We also like gourmet burger, but running a bit low on that supply. Oh, I had smoke in the eyes. Is that?
Should be good.
To this mixture, we're gonna add Rotel, or this is the Aldi's brand, diced tomatoes and green chilies. And then a really awesome tip that I learned a long time ago about making like a taco mixture for quesadillas or nachos or tacos is to add black beans to it. Sometimes we'll add corn too, but I didn't bring that, so we're just doing black beans, and it helps stretch it a little bit more, but also makes it more healthy. One of the things we've learned from kidney specialists is that eating the rainbow is a very positive thing when it comes to kidney health. So we tend to add beans to most of our things.
Give her a dump.
Are you ready for them?
I think so.
Wait.
Casualty.
Ah, we lost a chunk.
Need a bigger pot.
Yeah, we should have brought the big pot. We call this the tasting spoon. To make sure your food's gonna taste good and that there's enough spices on it. Ooh, she's hot.
Boiling.
I don't know if you guys can see me, but wow.
Good?
Yeah.
There we go.
You gotta try a bite. That's delicious.
Give me one. Get this moisture out of here. Should be good.
I need a taco that's seasoned like that.
We're about to.
Even though it's unofficial, like taco spices and stuff. Good?
Yeah, it'll be good. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, it'll be good for tacos.
Yeah.
Throw another log in here.
Throw another log on the fire. Ooh, it's a hot log.
I mean around.
Yeah.
Get them cooling. I think we're ready.
Homemade salsa, homemade jalapenos. Oh yeah.
Whoop.
Whoop.
Getting crazy.
Getting hungry, apparently.
Jesus. Sauce on there. Oh, mirror. I can't reach the mirror. I'm gonna go with one jalapeno for today.
These jalapenos are hot. They're last year's batch.
Dollop.
Need a bigger dollop, I think.
Dollop. Dollop.
We're failing at that.
Dollop will do ya.
Dollop will do ya.
Come on. Can you spoon some tomatoes on there? Give her a try.
Yeah, I need more of that, especially with that jalapeno.
It's good.
Yeah?
No,
Should I be excited?
Yeah, super good.
Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so easy. You need to make these. Even if you just do ground beef or ground turkey or whatever your favorite meat is and you don't have the ground venison. My turn.
Oh, that jalapeno is bomb.
Yeah? Whoop. Had a casualty myself. I got some little gnats or something flying around. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Do I need more than one?
No,
I'm nervous to eat the jalapeno.
I want more of it.
They're potent.
The first one is enough. So eat it first.
Eat it first?
Yeah.
I'm covered in sour cream. Good taco though?
Mmm. Amazing. Might have another one.
Well, that's what they're for. It's just so easy. Alright, buds, here we go. Temperature hot. Wow.
Super good.
Oh my gosh. I might have a second one.
Well, I'm gonna wait down.
I haven't gotten to the jalapeno yet though. seriously such an easy camping meal. One of my favorite things about it is that mixture can be used for so many things. So my plan is to do campfire nachos. If we do that, we'll drop the link down in the description below. And then, so we did soft shell tacos now. We also love to make quesadillas, and this mixture works for all of that. So easy, so versatile.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, shut off. GoPro, turn off.
Just hit the
GoPro,
button.
stop recording. Stop recording. GoPro.
You have to say GoPro stop recording.
Go.